This video is about representative birds to see in tropical America, namely in Costa Rica, and how to find them. So many people go to Costa Rica just specifically to see wildlife, and a lot of the wildlife they're looking for are birds. Costa Rica has, I think, about 900 species. I'm a little bit outdated as far as the amount, but to understand the full diversity, you have to understand that Costa Rica is the size of West Virginia, yet it has more species than all of the United States. So it's probably, say, 5% of the area that the United States has, or maybe less, and it has more species. That's very, very diverse. Panama actually has, I think Panama is the most biodiverse bird country in the world, with about, I think it's 1,600 species. This is pretty impressive. The country that has the most amount of birds is definitely Colombia, which I think, I think Panama has like 1,100, and Colombia has 1,600. I have to double check. But all this being said, Costa Rica is pretty diverse. The reason is that it's in an area that has a mixture of a lot of the Amazonian biodiversity, which is one of the most biodiverse in the world, and then Mesoamerican dry forest biodiversity, and also mountain biodiversity, which with a lot of elements from the Andean region. So the mix of the three makes it very diverse. So for example, if they would have small hills, like say Salvador, it wouldn't have a lot of the alpine animals. So inside of Costa Rica, it's easy to find scarlet macaws in two to three areas. I believe there was a population in Palo Verde in the Guanacaste region, but there are two breeding relevant populations of scarlet macaws, one in Carara, the other one in the Osa Peninsula. And the Osa Peninsula has a larger amount of animals than Carara. The resplendent quetzal. Okay, so how to find them? You basically go, you hear them, they're red iridescent, so they're hard to see. They usually fly in two or three. When you see three together, it's usually a juvenile flying with them, and they start screeching or doing the bird call that they do, as they call it. It's like quack, quack, quack. It's like a parrot-like sound. So they're in the parrot family. Another very interesting bird to see in Costa Rica is the